Hello, welcome to my channel with another tutorial of how to change the image DPI from minimum to maximum 300 using Canva. So this is a quite easy method. So what you need to do is, for example, you have some design. I have this design in my case and adjust it into your canvas. So once you are done with your design, so move to this share option, click here and move to this download button. Click here and you will see multiple options here. So what you need to do is, uh, first of all, let's download it on this default option. So let's download this image and let's see that what we get in this. So when I download this image, let's rename this image as DPI1. So let's check. For example, this is the image I downloaded on default settings. So if I click on this, you can check that the DPI here is 96 DPI. So we need to increase this to 300. So what we need to do is, again, move here to the share option, click here and move to the download option, click here, and now you will see this thing, the size. So change the size to maximum, maximum 300, and click on download button. So once you click on download button, so let's rename this as DPI max. So when we download this and open this image on maximum size, so click on the settings and you can see that the DPI of the image is set to 300. So this is how you can download the image in 300 DPI using Canva. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.